The Netherlands have a national target to go completely carbon neutral by 2050. This means that the wind energy have to increase its production up to 72 gigawatts by 2050. The SMART research group in Saxon University is targeting this problem, where we are working on developing aerial robots to help in the inspection and maintenance of wind turbines, especially offshore wind turbines, with the goal of allocating some of the tasks that are currently carried out by rope access staff to aerial robots that can help in the inspection and maintenance of wind turbines. Today, we are in Eemshaven by the North Sea, and we are testing our aerial manipulator, Sarax, in a physical interaction task with a real wind turbine. We are aiming to identify where does the pilot needs the most help in navigating and controlling the drone to do such a physical task.
What's challenging about this test is that to get very close to this windmill, perception of depth is a little bit on the difficult side, especially since you're looking at a grey background, grey windmill blade. So you really want to make sure that you're not running into it with your propellers. What's challenging also here is I'm using the FPV camera on the drone to see what's going on up there. I also need to keep an overview about what's happening on the ground so that we can conduct a safe operation here for everybody involved.
We are running another test where we are collecting VIO data from cameras, LiDARs and other sensors to try to identify and develop solutions for localization and mapping of wind turbines to enable autonomous aerial physical interaction in the future. These tests today are funded by NVO-SIA, by Maestro Drone, AeroWind and AL Fusion projects. In these projects, we investigate with our partners from the industry and academia how to solve these technical challenges related to the perception, manipulation, control and path planning of aerial robots to enable it to do tasks that require physical interaction up in the sky. Together with our partners from industry and academia, we hope to contribute to a more sustainable future and to the energy transition by developing technical solutions for this societal need.